Hello everyone, this is a new recording that I'm doing for Debian 12 and how to install WordPress. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to add terminal here. So okay, sudo-s, check that you have ping connectivity. Okay, I do have it. And then apt-get install, open SSH server. So that one, install a SSH server on Debian. We're gonna learn later, but the point is that you can connect through your IP address, your Windows, that IP address 192.168. Doing this way, that's my command prompt on my Windows. So I'm doing SSH. That username is Debian @192.168.199.141, and now I have connected to Debian. Sudo-s. This one, because I am doing through the document, and so basically it's going to be easier for you once you want to copy from the document. So I copy the first command, which is installing the Apache server. So copy and paste it here. So that's Apache server. So you can, once you install it, you can start and enable Apache server like that. Systemctl enable and systemctl start. You can check the status systemctl status Apache 2. You can check it like that. All right. So then we reach to installing PHP dependency. That's a very long command that I am copying from the document and pasting here. That's the command. And install the PHP on Debian. Once you did this step, then you can do php-v. That shows your PHP version is 8.2.7. And then we have MariaDB database. So apt-get install MariaDB -server -y means that accept any question. So it's installing that database. Systemctl start MariaDB, and then we enable. You can enable it. So now enable. If you want to log into MariaDB, then you type MariaDB and then you are in. So first step, we are creating user. So you put the user and the password here. You can put it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then create a database, WordPress. So it's like that, create database, WordPress. Then access WordPress user to use this database, like grant all privileges on WordPress to use that one. Flush privileges, and then exit. right? So now we are installing, we are getting the latest package of uh, WordPress, which is located under WordPress.org. So I switch cd var www.html. So then I use this command wget WordPress latest one, like this one, as a zip. So then you download the WordPress, unzip, latest .zip, and then remove the latest .zip, that zip file. Then we are changing WordPress permission like that, ch-r www data, then you switch to cd WordPress, and then you change the permission to 755, and also directory 755 files should be 644. Now is the time to move wp-config-sample to wp-config.php. This is like configuration file of WordPress nano wp-config dot php. So here you can change database information. You see that here is not visible database name. I put it here. Uh, so it is WordPress, and also username is WordPress, and the password here is 12345 6 12345 6. And once you add this part, then you can do for the next step. So next step is we are going to this path cd Apache 2 and then sites available. Touch WordPress.conf. We are creating this file, and nano now that file WordPress.conf. So what we do, we create a virtual host file and paste the configuration here. Paste it, but didn't work. Do it again, copy, and then paste. So what we are doing, we are saying root document on the var www html WordPress, and these are like allowed. Okay, Control X, save it. A to enable module rewrite. A to en site WordPress.conf, and then system CTL reload Apache 2. Now it should be okay. So you can open this IP address on your browser. So if you do this IP address, HTTP 192.168.191/WordPress. Then you reach the WordPress page here. You select English site title, for example, my name. username admin, for example, and then you set the same password and then install it. It's missing email address, so for example, this one, and then you log in. Admin with the password. So this is WordPress. This site is your site, so you can go here, create a post, for example, first post, or yeah, title. That's my first post. Hello, everyone, like that. Publish it. And then you will be able to see it under your website. So I hope this has been informative for you guys, and thanks for watching.